This video would not be possible without you guys, man. 7 years of hard work, dedication, and your support led to this moment. It don't matter how long it takes, as long as it gets done. Now, I have to go ahead and put a tribute out to my old ride because I was putting in work with that thing. If you guys are car enthusiasts, you're gonna love this video. If you guys wanna stay up to date with my different side, not gaming side, make sure you guys subscribe to my second channel. I'm linking that at the top of the description of this video. We don't build just class setups over here, man. Let's get right into it. Oh boy. What do you want? 40? 40? Oh my God. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. And behind me is my new to me 2016 Shelby GT350. I can't believe I'm saying that. this 3-valve chopping! I can't do no pulls in this car, bro. I just spin second gear and nasty. Thank you guys for the support. This would not be possible without you guys across the car scene, the gaming scene. Thank you. Like, honestly, I'm still lost for words. I had to get that first drive in, you know, by myself. I'm already acting up in the car too. I can't believe I'm saying that either. Already acting up with the car. I'll go ahead and explain that when we get into a POV drive. But let me go ahead and give you guys a walk around. But holy, this is a beast. This is way different, obviously, from the 2-valve and the FRS. All right, y'all, so this is the GT350. I do apologize if there is some wind noise. My luck, every single time I come to record a video, there's always wind noise. This car has just under 11,000 miles. It is a 3-owner car, me being the 3rd owner. And the owner previously was a female, so that's pretty cool. And honestly, I think she gave it the sauce, because this is pretty quick. Like, it surprised me. All right, this is a normal mode right now. Obviously, we go into track. You can kind of hear the valves open. Sounds amazing. Sounds amazing. I think this and the 4.6 liter 2-valve are probably the 2 best sounding Mustangs you can get. Woo! Don't want to get a little bit too crazy in here. I still got to get used to the car. But overall, the driving experience, it's so smooth. So smooth. So smooth. Woo! I got to get these downshifts a little bit better though. Ah, damn, bro. Spun the tires a little bit too right there. All right, we got this little turn here. See how it feels. Ooh. You gotta be a little bit more careful, because obviously this is a little bit of a bigger car than, you know what, well, not that much bigger than the 2-valve, but definitely a lot bigger than the FRS. You gotta be a little bit careful. And we got some cops up here. Yep, 2 of them. Alright, my downshift's down a little bit better, but bear with me, y'all. I've had this car for like an hour. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the test drive. Let me go ahead and show you guys under the hood, man. This car is pretty beast. Let me get used to it. Then I can go ahead and do some hard pulls. Again, I gotta get the radar in this thing, and I also gotta get the feel for it, because I'm not gonna jump into something that I've literally never driven before, because this is actually the first S550 I've ever driven. Literally. I've never driven a Mustang newer than 2004, so it's a little bit to get used to, but it's not too bad. But as you guys can see, under the hood, it's clean. The one I was looking at earlier, like in the week, like last week type shit, it was completely dirty under the hood. I don't know what was going on, and they knew I was coming to look at it, so that kind of was a red flag. But this one, clean. I want to say it does have a bigger throttle body, if you can see this, and don't get me wrong, but I'm pretty sure this is a JLT quarter intake. If not,
don't get on me, but first S550, but I think it is. You guys can see, looking down here, you can't even see anything because you would be able to see it. Stock manifold, so does not have headers. I do think this thing has a tune though, but I'm gonna get this to my guy Cliff at CUNDN, get a tune on here with the headers, X-Pipe E, really go ahead and wake this up, make about 500 wheel. But this thing is boogieing, man. Already raced somebody in this thing, a Gen 3 car, and won. So I mean, I don't know. And I had a passenger during the test drive, so I don't know, man. This thing is something else. It is truly something else.